Okay, this Dodge truck came in earlier. It stalls a lot. It's hard to start and poor acceleration. They had the truck at another shop where they replaced the throttle body, so it's related to what we were talking about in that last video, throttle body, because this 2111, basically the computer wasn't able to control the throttle plate. We've got some electrical circuit problems, reference voltage low. This would be the same thing actually. The accelerator pedal position, the circuit's low. It wants to see voltage on that circuit and it sees none. Same thing, TPS, crankshaft position circuit. All those are circuit codes, electrical problems. Erratic reference voltage, throttle position sensor circuit low, oil pressure sensor circuit low. The one we'll dismiss here is this thermostat code, P0128. It's a rationality code. That means the computer, what it saw didn't make good sense to the computer. Being a P0128, what it means is probably the engine had run long enough that the computer expected it to be warmer than it was. And that's because it usually happens when it takes too long for an engine to warm up. We're going to dismiss that one and not throw it in with the others. The others all seem to be electrical problems. Crankshaft position sensor. Now I started the truck, it started right up, and I had no problem driving it into the shop, but while it was sitting there idling, it shut down just as if I had shut the key off, that suddenly, that would be a problem with a crankshaft position sensor, in that could cause us the problem. So what I decided to do here initially was, because I'm starting to think it's losing its reference voltage, which is 5-volt reference voltage to all these sensors. But since the work's been done on previously, we don't know if some of these codes may have been set because of the work. While they were doing the work, they never cleared it. So what I'm going to do is clear the codes, and then we'll test it again and see what comes back. Okay, after clearing the codes and retesting, we have these 4 that came back immediately. I haven't run the truck, I just cleared the codes and retested. So this is the key on the engine not running. We still have no control over the throttle control system. The reference voltage, still a problem with that reference voltage circuit. So what we're going to do now is look at a wiring diagram, see which sensors are using that same reference voltage, see if we can find out what the problem is. So strictly by coincidence, I'm sure, the crankshaft position sensor, the accelerator pedal position sensor 1, the throttle position sensor 1 and 2, and the oil pressure sensor all use the same 5-volt reference.